CIMB Group Holdings is our stock in focus this morning. Maybank Investment Bank Research reviewed the lender's ESG commitments and says the stock is still a buy. It kept its target price at 6 ringgit and 20 cent. CIMB ended trading yesterday at 5 ringgit 45. In its note, Maybank IB said it has introduced an expanded ESG tear sheet for CIMB. The research house said CIMB has comprehensive sustainability policies in place and assigned it an above-average overall score of 67. Here's where Maybank IB thinks it could perform better. Environmental trends. We're talking water and petrol consumption as well as the recycling of solid waste such as paper. CIMB also needs to tackle alleged data security issues which have cropped up in the press in recent years, the latest being the double crediting error by a third-party service provider. In terms of its greenhouse gas emissions, CIMB is aiming for a 25% reduction in emissions by 2024. It hopes to achieve net zero by 2030. The group also plans to capture the Scope 3 emissions from financing activities, but has yet to establish a baseline at this stage. As for its financial targets, Maybank IB said CIMB is targeting loan growth of 6 to 7% in FY22. The lender expects NIM to expand by about 5 BPS, the cost-to-income ratio of more than 48 BPS, and credit costs of 50 to 60 BPS. It is aiming for an ROE of 9 to 10% for FY22, including Cukai Makmur. So what's the consensus? According to the Bloomberg data, there are 15 buys, 5 holds and 1 sell on CIMB, with target price averaging out to 6 ringgit and 9 cent. That is 12% higher than the stock's last close of 5 ringgit 45.